Welcome back to 50 Car. Power, presence, and performance. 3 words that define the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Concept, a vehicle that fuses raw muscle with modern luxury. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement, a thunderous roar on wheels. Exterior design. Every line and curve of the Durango SRT Concept screams aggression. Step by step. Front, a bold, wide stance with a massive grille and piercing LED headlights. Hood, vented for maximum airflow, hinting at the beast beneath. Side profile, chiseled body lines, blacked-out pillars, and 22-inch forged wheels exude dominance. Rear, a full-width LED taillight and a quad exhaust setup make it unmistakable. Pros: bold, aerodynamic, and aggressive. Cons: larger size may be a challenge in tight spaces. Interior and dashboard design. Luxury meets performance inside. Step by step. Dashboard, a digital cockpit with a massive touchscreen and carbon fiber trim. Seats, Alcantara-wrapped sports seats with red stitching. Technology, Uconnect 5, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system and wireless everything. Pros: high-tech, premium materials. Cons: sporty layout may not suit all tastes. Performance and driving experience. Engine, a 6.2L supercharged Hemi V8 delivering over 700 horsepower. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Handling, adaptive suspension ensures a smooth yet thrilling ride. Pros: insane power, track-ready agility. Cons: high fuel consumption. Final verdict. The Durango SRT Concept is for thrill seekers craving an SUV with muscle car DNA. Competitors: BMW X5M, Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Max speed, 190 miles per hour ideal buyer, performance enthusiasts.